Okay, we let our head set up so it's all nice and dry. So we had to make adjustments on the back of the head here so we get a good fit. So we got that, we'll go in there. And then we got the drilled a hole for our screws. This side on. We got the back on there now. So if you ever have to make repairs, what you do is you take the wig off, you take these two screws out, and you take the back off, then you can get inside the head. So next thing we got is we've cut out our design for the chin and the lower lip. So we're going to need 3 of these pieces to glue together, and that'll go inside for the mouth. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page, I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section, I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.